which is coming in. Congress is calling a meeting of all the key members regarding the Women's Quota Bill, the Women Reservation Bill. Let me go across to Niyamika. Niyamika, what's cooking there? What do we expect in the meeting being held on Friday, I believe, tomorrow at 3 p.m.?
Well, yes, indeed. The Congress Working Committee meeting has been called tomorrow at 3 p.m. This meeting is going to be held in Indira Bhavan, as the party is yet to decide its official stand regarding the Women's Reservation Bill. We have seen that how the Congress party has made it very clear that they are not against this particular bill, but they are basically questioning the timing of, calling this parliament session between 16th to 18th of April, as the Congress party has called this move of the government of India as politically motivated, because the timing of this session is amid the ongoing assembly elections. And not just that, but the question which they are also continuously raising before the government of India is about the delimitation. The Congress party is of the concern that this kind of a delimitation is basically going to make a huge impact on several of the states, which also includes the southern states.
Several of the states, which also includes the southern states as well as the northeastern states, and that is the only reason why the state units are going to be consulted by the High Command of the Congress party to take their viewpoint about this entire exercise of delimitation, how it is going to impact their own particular states. And soon after that, there is going to be another round of meeting with the opposition leaders to chalk out the floor strategy, as well as how there is going
You're
to be...
right, Niyamika. Let's see how this unfolds. Mohit, Niyamika, thanks for that quick update. Viewers, the gap between rhetoric and reality as far as Women's Reservations Bill is concerned is huge. And all of us, by that mean all political parties are on test really, because this was introduced 3 decades ago in 1996 and treated with utter disdain. It took 27 years for the bill to be passed in 2023, and ever since it has, nothing has happened on the bill. So Prime Minister Modi invoking history, heritage and India's civilizational value to say that this is a chance to really walk the talk.
Absolutely, you're right about it, Pranesh, and let's not forget the chants which come every election time. Successive parties may have failed their duty towards the Women Reservation Bill, but then there are chants like Ladki Hoon, Lad Sakti Hoon. This will be a test for what they actually mean when they say it. Will they walk the talk? Well, of course, that big test is going to be in the parliament next week. Well, with that,